guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we have a pretty cool vlog, a little less boring than my normal life because I'm actually doing something today. Yay. Okay, so today, I'm crooked. Today I am fixing this mess of my hair. So I usually just have my hair bleached by my friend Shelby, who has no experience or training in coloring hair. Like, we just honestly, ever since like 9th grade, we just buy bleach and like bleach my hair. And you know, I always like how it turns out. Like, I've never had a problem with it, so I kind of just go with it because it's cheap. Like, I just use her as slave labor. I don't pay her anything. I just buy the bleach and we do it. So I was like, you know, we could keep doing that, or I could get it professionally done for the first time in my damn life, because I was like, you know what? In my last video, I was like, guys, I'm not a brassy-haired Oompa Loompa. And as I was editing, I was like, that's only half true because, like, my hair is kind of brassy. Like, I don't know. Like, I actually found this video yesterday, and it was called How to Facetune Your Hair into Looking Ashy, instead of brassy. Like, get it? So I was like, wow, I could have just Facetuned this whole time. Why am I paying money to get this dyed tomorrow? But I already set up my appointment and there's not Facetune in real life. So I was like, I guess. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to kind of like, I don't know. I guess my hair's not really that, well, I don't know. We're going to get it done. I'm going to get it lightened. I'm going to get it toned up, and I'm probably going to bring it up a little bit into like a little balayage, or however you say it. I'm pretty dang excited. My appointment's in like 30 minutes and the place is 20 minutes away, so I should probably get my butt on the road. But I'm going to take you guys along the way, and you guys are going to see this mess turn into something hopefully beautiful. So let's get it cracking. I'm done, and I'm so motherfunking happy. I genuinely, like, feel beauty. I don't think I've ever, like, uttered these words before, but I feel beautiful. Like, I really am happy with it. I'm really glad that I just, like, bit the bullet and spent some money to get my hair done, because, wow, that really just changed my day. Like, I just feel so happy right now. I feel like glamorous and cool, and my hair isn't orange anymore. Like, I'm just really happy right now. I'm probably gonna be really annoying today and take a lot of pictures and annoy everybody, but this is my first time getting my hair done. I'm just so, like, I feel like a beauty queen. I feel so glamorous, and okay. I'm gonna try to get myself together. So the salon I went to is right by my friend Kat's work. So I'm gonna go visit my good pal Kat at work. She works at Trader Joe's, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go visit her and say hello, and hopefully she tells me my hair is cute.
Oh my god, your hair is so cute! Thank you. What do you do here?
I work here.
Oh, what things do you do?
I eat food and I kiss my boyfriend.
Okay, hey guys, so now I'm gonna go over to Ulta because I got some recommendations for some like products to keep up with my hair. I'm gonna get like a deep conditioner and maybe a toner, or not a toner, a purple shampoo. I might wait on the purple shampoo though, because I already have some. It's not the best, but maybe I'll just wait to replace it later. And maybe a few other things. I don't know. I have a gift card, so you know I'm ballin'. Just kidding. Okay, let's go. It's cold today. Here we go. I only had $2 on the gift card, so I basically paid full price, but this is what I got. It is the Joico K-Pack Deep Penetrating Reconstruction for Damaged Hair. Yeah, so let's hope this thing works, because my ends are, the ends of my hair are gonna like snap if I don't put something on them in one moment. It's like 4:30 p.m. right now. I'm just eating some baby carrots in my car because I don't know what my plans are for next. I don't know what my next plans are. I think I'm gonna meet up with my friends to have dinner. So I probably shouldn't be eating these, but I live life on the edge, baby. Probably gonna meet up with my friends. And then my life's boring again, sorry. I just realized that I chew so motherfucking loudly that this is like some ASMR. Woo! This is like ASMR and a vlog and a makeover video all in one. And a mukbang! A mukbang with 7 baby carrots. You guys are getting spoiled today.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Babe.
What should the topic of today be? What controversial topic are we going to discuss and argue about?
How about like an unpopular opinion?
Hashtag unpopular opinions. Let's go. Elijah, what's your unpopular opinion?
I'm not doing this because everybody says it's unpopular, but then it's a popular ass opinion like every single
No,
fucking time.
it's unpopular because no one has the guts to say it. But when someone goes out and says it, people are like, "Yep, I agree." Because no one's gonna go out and say it.
No, because I read like have those unpopular opinions, and I'm like, this is like not even like unpopular.
That's true.
Somebody was like, coleslaw is trash. I was like, what the fuck? Like everybody thinks. Hey, you spit in my fucking face, nasty. Everybody was like, I was like, who the fuck likes coleslaw?
I like coleslaw. It was on my sandwich
You're
today.
fucking
I
weird.
hella hate coleslaw. It's like sauerkraut.
She's Caucasian.
So Elijah won this controversial topic because he had
He like thinks sauerkraut.
he had Lexus with what'd you hit her with? He had Lexus with
That's why she changes her voice on the videos when she knows it's hella annoying.
what?
When you fucking talk in that high ass pitch of voice, she changes it. She changes it to like. Have you watched her videos? She changes it to like this low pitch ass voice, and I just figured out why.
Why?
Because you talk in that high pitch ass voice all the time.
Yeah, no, sometimes I will be posting for the vlog and I'll be like, hey guys, what's up? And I have to put it down and act like I'm doing it for comedic effect, but really I'm just like so scared and embarrassed.
Wait, you think that you talk too low? You talk too high?
Well, I
talks too
talk like a
high.
man when I'm bored, but then when I get really excited, I start like, you know.
and then like I was like wondering why she like changes like her voice in the videos to like be like hella low, like.
It's for comedic effect.
But really, it's just because her voice is ugly.
Okay, Alexis, would you rather
Ooh,
have
like
to lick Elijah's
See,
toes
I already
clean?
knew it was gonna be some shit like that.
Would you rather have to lick Elijah's toes clean?
And
Like,
she's already gonna
like-
say the thing that's the opposite of me. Like no matter like what she actually thinks, she's gonna talk
Or-
shit about me.
eat Elijah's ass.
That's such a stupid thing because
Why
the
is
answer's
that
obvious. Fucking dumbass.
Duh, you're gonna eat
I'm-
ass.
No, I'm hella munching on his toes.
I'm hella munching on that ass, baby.
You're fucking weird.
Are you
It's because, let me explain. What nutrients are you getting from his toes?
his jam.
The jam? No,
don't have
that's
to,
all sugar. When you eat ass, you got
you eat
your carbohydrates, your
She's never gonna-
protein.
she's
No,
never
but
gonna
there's
post
hella
this.
fucking bacteria.
She's never gonna post
No,
this.
it's
No, I heard that ass is sterile once you put your mouth on it because of like PEMDAS or something. It's like, it's like your saliva acts with the ass. And
Axe with ass.
yeah, PEMDAS.
I look terrifying.
Hey guys, we're back, but we're in the dark.
Hey guys.
But we're in the light.
I look hella scary. Why does the top of my head look a little big? Why do I look like I have a fucking afro?
Man. Yeah, you do look like you look like a boy.
No,
I like how Cammy's talking all this shit because she got her hair done, so she thinks she's like a bad bitch. but
I
she's
really
not.
am. I can touch on any of you bitches today. Elijah, waves where?
And so I had to write with my left hand. And
Why do you have an explanation
So for some reason-
everything?
So for some reason, it was easy to do that. So then I just started writing my A's like that.
keeps on
So I don't think that's
talking.
weird.
I know.
But
I'm gonna have to cut out so much footage. What else could we rant about? You know, what else is grinding our gears? What else is
Oh my god. Okay.
Caucasians! Oh my god, they're the fucking worst. I have like 3 white friends.
The only white friends I have are literally you and Lexi, and you guys are both blonde.
You're number 3 on my Caucasian list. You moved up. You moved
What
up.
about Ben? Oh,
Ben! I forgot. Huh?
he probably doesn't watch my videos.
Oh, yeah, he's probably
anyway.
like, yeah, come here, watch them. He's like...
That's how I'll know if Ben doesn't watch my videos, if he doesn't catch that.
No.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Why do you guys listen to Cammy's videos? Like, how do you listen to her talk all the time?